welcome to Hastings Public Library's March Lego Club. Today we are going to be building a Lego zipline for a little Lego minifigure. So in your kits you will find your minifigure, a random assortment of Legos. You'll have more than these are just ones I grabbed for the video, and you'll have a piece of string that's about 6-ish feet long. So this is kind of an engineering challenge. So the first challenge is to make something to hold your Lego guy that will fit, and that has a space at the top to put the string through to make our zip line. So I'm gonna build mine. Yours is gonna look a little bit different depending on what pieces you have and just how creative you want to get with how you make it. So I'm gonna just start building. I'm gonna make sure that he fits. So this is what mine ended up looking like. You can see my little guy fits right in there. He's got his helmet on, he's ready to go, safety first. And there's a little space up at the top, that's where my string is gonna go. Okay, so now we're gonna get ready to make our zip line. So we're gonna thread our string through it so that it goes like this. We're gonna stick one end, either tape or tie one end of our string to something. You can use a doorknob, a chair handle, or you can just hold it, and then tie the other end to something that's much higher or lower. So you could tie it to something else or have somebody who's a lot taller than you hold the end of it. It just matters that one end is lower and one end is higher. So as you can see, I've tied one end of my string to this chair, and I'm just gonna hold the other end of it. So I'm gonna hold my hand up so that it's higher. I'm gonna hold on to my Lego guy, and then once you get it done, you can try things like trying to make your string higher or lower to increase or decrease the angle of it, and see what you think will happen. What do you think will happen to your Lego guy? And you can write down your guesses and then test it out and see if you're right.